Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to show you how I created this really cute updo curly ponytail with a bang. If you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you stay tuned to the rest of the video. But before we get to the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell button so every time I come in a new video, you guys would definitely know. Hi guys, so today we are coming to do a easy ponytail look. I purchased this ponytail. It's a curly ponytail with a bang. I purchased it from my local beauty store, and here is the packaging. And yeah, you guys, so again, I purchased this from my local beauty store. If I can find it somewhere online, I will, put it down in the description bar. But here is the packaging and how the ponytail is supposed to look. And let me take this out. So it looks like it comes with 2 pieces. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it does. It comes with 2 pieces. So it comes with the bang, as you can see, and it comes with the ponytail. So it comes with 2 pieces. So today we're going to create this look, and as you can see, it's the same color as my hair. So let's start creating this look. So first things first, I am going to put my hair in a ponytail, and I will be using this for my edges, and this is Edge Boost. I have been using this for a while. Some people state that it may make their edges a little white. I mean, every now and then it does make my edges white, but not all the times. But we will be using this today to create this style. So let's get started.